Hello, it's Josh from JDG Estate Agents, and today's 60-second property investment comes from Aldrens Lane in the popular Skerton area of Lancaster. This two-bedroom terrace offers plenty of space, it's neutrally decorated throughout and has a modern kitchen and fitted bathroom as well. It's got fantastic outside space as well as a little bit of bonus outside space that you can see just behind me. Don't always get that with terraces. It's close to lots of local amenities and it also is on the main bus route and transport links into the city centre. It's currently on the market for £95,000 and with a rental income of £525 per calendar month, you can expect to see an annual yield of £6,300, which is approximately a 6.6% gross return on your investment. If you do fancy having a look, do give us a call on 01524 843322 or you can drop me an email josh@jdg.co.uk. Thanks, bye!